Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into relief. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Reserve. Which means an extra player who is a possible substitute in a team. Reserve. For example, he was reserve hooker for the World Cup team. Number 2. Replacement. Which means a person or thing that takes the place of another. Replacement. For example, please stay until we find a replacement for you. Number 3. Understudy. Which means in the theatre a person who learns another's role in order to be able to act at short notice in their absence. Understudy. For example, he muffed his lines and was often replaced by an understudy. Number 4. Surrogate. Which means a substitute, especially a person deputizing for another in a specific role or office. Surrogate. For example, she served as a surrogate for the president on a trip to South America. Number 5. Deputy. Which means a person who is appointed to undertake the duties of a superior in the superior's absence. Deputy. For example, he handed over his duties to his deputy. Number 6. Substitute. Which means a person or thing acting or serving in place of another. Substitute. For example, the casual workers might be substitutes for agency workers. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.